Yes, hello. I am a doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to put on some spark plugs. I already have set 6 of them because they're basic, very simple, very easy. All you need is this 10 millimeter bolt right here, an extension, a nice 3/8 socket like this, spark plug socket right here. It's a 5/8. It has a little padding in there to help take out the spark plugs when you put it in, and a smaller 3/8 extension just in case you need it. Now I'm going to use an extension, 3/8, and a 10 millimeter right now, and I'm going to tell you why. I already put in 5 spark plugs, six spark plugs, 5 coils. Now here you go right here. This one right here, it's very simple. They're all the same. You just put right down right in there like this. You push it down, give it a good push, then you get it right in there. Here, I'm tightening it down right here, 10 millimeter. Gotta be easy the way you tighten it down because these are 10 millimeters. They're on the spark plugs, and the spark plugs are very sensitive. Gotta be easy. Keep torquing down like that till you feel. Gotta be gentle. Now it's starting to tighten up. You can feel it like I'm feeling it right now. These are some very long bolts right here. They go very deep, but they're also, coils are plastic. Now there, that's it. You see? It's it. A big old long bolt. Let's say it's about a good 4 to 5 inches long. Now, right here, this is the plug right here, and there's a connector right here, locked. What you do, push in, you hear that click, push down, and there it is. That's how you do every last one of them the same way. They all have a bolt right here, all have a bolt. All the way down, all 6 of them, you pull this gray piece out right here, and then you push this little black piece in, it comes right out. That's all. That's all it is, right there. To get to all this mess right here, you have to turn around. You have to take this off. I'm going to show you how to put it back on, because taking it off, put it back on, the same thing. What you do, pay attention now, this tube will go here. This will go in like this. It slides in very easy, but the tube goes right here, and this right over here. See that? Now it's a 3-step. Take a look. Right here it slides in. Bam. The tube, push down right there. Just right over here. The tube goes right in there, fits there. Here we go up here to this piece. That's it. It's in. Now, 10 millimeter bolt. Right here. Tighten that down. Just like that. Now, that's my hand you're seeing. Is hand tightening it. But now, here's where I'm just going to take that off. Tighten it down, as you can see, with the extension from 10, as is right now. Now, 3/8 socket I put on it. Like I say, it's all plastic. You got to be careful. There it is, a little bit right there. It's tightened down. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to tighten down These flathead screwdrivers, this one and this two. Just tighten it down with the flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver, voila. Let's start with this end, right here. I like a flathead. Somebody probably say, why don't you use an 8mm? Because the flathead gets the job done and everything goes in tight. Now we go to the other side, right here. Always know where you're at now. Put it in, it goes right in easy. Just go with it, nice and tight. See that? Just go. You don't have to try to be no He-Man, be no nothing. Just check it like that. There it is. Double check all your work, take a look. All cables, everything around. Plug right here, this plug at top. That is all it is. I'll show you in basic numbers. 1, 2, 3. And you take this, you move the hose, take the cover off right here, and that's all it is. Then after that, each coil and plug is going to be, let's see, take off 10mm bolt, you disconnect it, and then you take out the coil. And then 5/8 or 15mm and a long extension, you go down there and you put on the socket, you put it right down the plug, start turning, and it comes up. It don't get no easier than that. You want to go, that will save you time and money, so you don't have to go to one of those shops and charge you, like say for instance you got a BMW, you'll be paying about $1,100, $1,200 just for that same basic technique I just did. And I did it on a Buick Rainier. They would have charged this lady $600 just to do that. I'm saving everybody money. I am the doctor. Another patient has been successfully succeeded the operation. And now, if you have any questions, any comments, just go ahead. I love everybody's views and comments. Put it down there. My channel. And I want to hear everyone's comment. Have a nice day.